Theme core for this episode: surrounded by people, yet disconnected by the screen. In a room full of voices, your eyes sink into a glowing screen. Moments pass around you, but you don't lift your head. You scroll through strangers' happiness while missing the joy beside you. The joke you liked online echoes hollow in the silence near you. You're present in the picture, but absent in the moment. The screen connects you everywhere, except here. Noise fades, but the screen still clings. It takes courage to set it down, even for a breath. For the first time tonight, your eyes meet something real. Their laughter carries more warmth than 1,000 likes. You choose presence over connection that never lasts. The smallest gesture pulls you closer than the brightest screen.
1,000 connections, 0 presence. True intimacy lives beyond the screen. Join the journey. Like, share, and subscribe.
Your silence becomes listening. Your presence becomes felt. The world can wait. This moment cannot. Connection begins when distraction ends. And you realize, presence is the rarest gift we give.